don't know how many of these videos you guys got to see to convince yourself that this is a great business every time you go out. I just go out just to show you guys that people call all the time in this business. There's no time they don't call. They call on the weekends, they call during the week, they call at night, they call in the morning. When their door don't open, they just call immediately because it's fresh on their mind and they don't know what to do. You know, I could charge a lot more than I do, and I can do a lot more. You know, I know people that go out with the intent just to get out there and then they upsell. They use this sales pitch. So like I said before, I tell you guys, once you answer the phone, the job's locked in and you're going out there. So you feel good about garage doors. This is real. You get calls, you go out, you make the money. You're watching me do it all the time. And there's other people you can go watch too that do it all the time, like the Garage Door Kid. He's out there doing it. He's only 20 years old. We have so many people that have taken our course. They're making a lot of money. As I've been talking this last 5 or 10 minutes, right in your area, probably 10 springs broke. Those people are getting on the phone and calling people that are advertising. And you can advertise for free nowadays. And we'll tell you where to do all that. And it actually works. So you can use those if that works good for you in your area. If it doesn't, then you can always go to the paid advertising, which we tell you exactly how to get into that so you don't overspend, because you could very easily overspend on the internet stuff. We'll tell you what to say in your ad. We tell you what to do. As long as you do that and you get up and running, you'll be making great money. And maybe you don't feel like you could, but I'm here to tell you you can. Not you can as if it's some impossible task. You can do one job a week and make more than you'll make all week working for somebody. You don't really have to do any sales. They're telling you their door doesn't open, can you have someone come out? And you're just saying, yeah, name and address, say, okay, we'll see you then. And then now you're going out. Do yourself a favor, get in this business. You won't regret it. You'll be making money the rest of your life once you start doing this. And you're not gonna wanna ever work for anyone else again. And you're gonna think back of what I'm telling you right now and you're gonna say, that guy was so right. I'm so glad I listened to what this guy said. Just think, if I worked for another company, I wouldn't be making any money. I'm telling you guys the truth. This isn't one of those scam things online where it doesn't work. It works with everybody, any area. Everyone I knew in this business when I was a kid, all the companies that I knew, when I did work for, it was my dad's friend, all of them were filthy rich. They all lived in the most expensive areas and they came to this country with no money. One of them was a bus boy when he started this business. He became the richest guy. He ended up living in Hillsborough, California. Look it up. That's where he moved, and he went from being a bus boy at the Fairmont Hotel. Anyway, you guys that are out there doing the same thing in a meaningless job, doing something and you feel like you're never going to get out of it, get into the garage door business. If you do this right, within a year you'll be a millionaire. But you're not going to want to stop, because this is actually kind of rewarding to do. GarageDoorTrainingschool.com. We're the best school to go to. Our school's proven. We're going to get you into business. We'll see you in the class. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.